Kennedy cousin Michael Skakel, whose conviction was overturned slaying of a Connecticut teenager in 1970s, is suing lead police investigator case and town of Greenwich for malicious prosecution, civil rights violations and other alleged wrongdoings. The case made headlines around world and was the subject of 48 Hours episode Martha Moxley's Diary. Skakel, 63, nephew Robert F. Kennedy's widow Ethel Kennedy, was convicted 2002 of 1975 bludgeoning death Martha Moxley, who lived across street from Skakel family in wealthy Greenwich and whose body was found family's home backyard. He was 15 years old when Skakel and Moxley, Martha Moxley, shown in this 1974 photo when she was 14, was aired on October 30, 1975. You Lost Everything. Tori Holland, Martha's childhood friend, told 48 Hours reporter Erin Moriarty in 2021. The Connecticut Supreme Court overturned Skakel's conviction in 2018, after he spent more than 11 years in prison, on the grounds that his defense attorney failed to present evidence of an alibi. A state prosecutor announced in 2020 that Skakel would not be tried again and the charge would be dropped. The new lawsuit alleges that investigator Frank Garr intended to have Skakel convicted and withheld key evidence about other potential suspects from Skakel's trial defense. The defendants in the case knew that there were other more likely suspects and that there was no probable cause arrest and/or prosecute plaintiff. But they continued to do so willfully and maliciously convict plaintiff. The lawsuit includes the Kennedy cousin claim. The state attorney general's office, which is defending Garr, declined to comment Tuesday. A message was also left on Garr's phone list. Skakel's attorney, Stephan Seeger, described the lawsuit as a civil rights lawsuit against Garr and the town. He spent 11.5 years in prison for a crime he did not commit and was subjected to every process imaginable until the case was concluded, Seeger said. The lawsuit, filed in Stamford State Court in November, seeks unspecified damages of more than $15,000. The trial made international headlines. The case attracted international attention because of Kennedy's name, Skakel's wealthy family, numerous theories about who killed Moxley, and the brutal manner in which several other people were mentioned as possible including Skakel's brother Tommy Skakel, that took place in the exclusive Belhaven area of Greenwich, where Martha and Skakel were neighbors. At trial, prosecutors said Skakel was angry at Martha for turning down his advances while she was having sexual intercourse with Tommy. There were also witness statements regarding incriminating statements Skakel allegedly made. Michael Skakel walks out of the Stamford, Connecticut courthouse on November 21, 2013. Skakel's appellate attorneys later argued that Skakel's trial attorney, Mickey Sherman, made poor decisions, including not focusing on Tommy as a possible suspect and failing to attempt to contact